Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you everything you can do with Canva AI. If you use Canva for your businesses, marketing campaigns, social media content, thumbnails, websites, or even reports, this tutorial is going to change the way you create content. We'll go through over 15 AI tools and features inside Canva, and I'll explain how to use them step by step, along with actionable use cases that you can apply in your business today. So, if you've ever wondered how to speed up your design process, amplify your output, and create stunning visuals, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, if you're completely new to Canva, head over to canva.com in your browser. You can start designing for free, or you can choose the Canva Pro 30-day free trial for full access to all features. I already have Canva Pro, so I'll meet you inside. Once you're in your Canva account, you'll notice the AI tools on the left-hand sidebar. Depending on your version, it might be called Dreamlab, which is an older version of Canva AI. Click on it, and here's where the fun begins. First, Canva AI main interface. Inside Canva AI, you'll see options to create a design with AI, generate images, draft documents using Magic Write, write content, and even Code for Me, which lets you create interactive widgets or tools for your designs based on prompts. For example, let's create an interactive pricing calculator. Canva will generate the code for you, and you can use this in your designs, share it with clients, or even embed it on your website. Second, creating AI designs and images. You can also generate images based on prompts. For instance, I asked Canva to create a sleek logo for a dive shop in Bali, including a dive mask in the design. Canva AI generated multiple logo options instantly. You can choose one you like and then customize it in Canva Editor. You can add text, elements, or tweak colors to make it perfect for your brand. 3. Magic Write 337. Next up is Magic Write, Canva's AI-powered writing assistant. Navigate to create a doc or any design. Describe what you want. For example, create a 1,000-word marketing strategy for a Shopify store selling digital products. Click Generate, and Canva AI instantly creates your content. You can then edit headers, sections, and prompts, making it easy to generate blog posts, ad copy, or business documents. Magic Media is Canva's AI image generator. You can generate images from text prompts, add references or styles, use voice prompts to create designs. For example, I created an image of a young guy listening to music with white earphones next to a graffiti wall, perfect for marketing content on social media. 5. AI graphics under graphics, Canva. AI can generate visual elements for your designs. For instance, I typed black headphones, and Canva generated graphics I can use immediately. You can tweak the color, highlights, shadows, or size to fit your design perfectly. 6. AI video generation. Canva now lets you generate video content using AI. Example: man walking between graffiti walls with white headphones. Canva AI generates the video instantly, which you can then resize, edit, or add to your marketing campaigns. 7. Image adjustments in Magic Studio 708. Canva AI also lets you edit and adjust images smartly. Adjust colors, brightness, shadows, contrast, and highlights. 8. AI voice. You can also generate AI voiceovers for your videos or slideshows. Choose the accent and voice, type in your text, and Canva AI creates the audio. Perfect for video ads, presentations, or social media content. 9. Upcoming Canva. AI features. Canva is also launching Canva Sheets, spreadsheet software inside Canva that merges design and data. Canva AI Assistant, conversational AI that helps you design, visualize ideas, and guide your creation process in real time. These features will make Canva even more powerful for businesses, creators, and marketers. So that's it. Canva has over 15 AI tools that help you create designs faster, generate images, graphics, and videos, write content using Magic, write, adjust, edit, and enhance your visuals, generate AI voiceovers, and soon work with spreadsheets and a conversational AI assistant. I highly recommend spending some time exploring each tool, experimenting with prompts, and finding how they can help your business or creative projects.